Excuse me, how can I get to city from here? Yes, you can rent a car or you can take a motorbike taxi to the sub district, then take a minibus. How long does it take to get there? The journey using a rental car takes 1.5 hours, while the journey using a minibus takes around 2 hours. Which is cheaper, the cost of renting a car or a minibus? Minibus cheaper than rental car. So, will I be faster if I use a rental car? Yes, if you are in a hurry, my suggestion is that you are a rental car. Okay, thank you. You are welcome.